Good morning and welcome to another video here on the channel. And there she is in all of her glory. Got the new fog lights looking great. The light bar on just because it looks cool, which I've actually been really happy with this light bar. I think I spent like 200 bucks on it and it's still muddy from the rain trips. Hopefully it fits with the boat. Let's see how far. On just inside. I think that'll work. So what in fact are we doing today? Well, first we're gonna turn off the light bar because we don't want that to drain the battery. But what are we gonna do today? Well, I'm not gonna be the most hated 4runner on the internet because I'm the idiot who put my flags on backwards. We have some new flags. Here it is laid out. It's got the mountain background or mountain texture, American flag, and it's in red. I got red just because it kind of matches my upper control arms in here. And just a little bit of subtle red I think will look good on this. Since I got this request for the last time I showed my flags, I'm gonna try to do my best to do an install video. I don't know how it's gonna work out because it's just me, but I will do the best I can to film how to put this thing on. This side will probably be easier to do, and I have an extra step of removing the flags. So I'm gonna show you how to do everything. So first we're gonna need to get some soapy water and a razor blade and clean the window so it doesn't scratch it up, and then use the soapy water to kind of get it all. Fiber and just kind of wipe it down real quick. Razor blade, brand new one's always preferred. Just kind of get it started, and it should just kind of peel up. Boom, flag is off this window. You just peel it up, yada yada. But for this, we're going to be doing a wet application, which is basically where you spray it, and you can use the water to kind of maneuver the flag where you want it. Now mine, since I had the flag on here before, I'm gonna have to take a razor blade to get this goopy, sticky stuff off because it will affect the next flag. So I'm gonna do that. You just spray the window, take a razor blade to it, and it'll come off. You can kind of see on the edge there, I've already kind of started, but that's what it'll look like. Now the cleaner you get your window, the better. I just took about 5-10 minutes and got all the goop off. What you're gonna do is take your flag. This is the passenger side, which is the side we're working on. We're gonna wanna flip it over. You're gonna wanna take a hard squeegee and push it. And what this is gonna do is allow it to not to stick to this thicker paper, but instead be easier to take off this paper, this thinner paper. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we got the hardest part, which is the stars, and we got the stripes started, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna wet the window down. I think I left my bottle in here. We're just gonna spray this window down, and we're gonna do one more wipe, spray it down one more time, and leave it wet so that way we can move our sticker around. Okay, so now that you got it on the window, so now what you want to do before you start really squeegeeing it is you're going to want to take a X-Acto knife and just kind of trace the outside of the window. There's like a gap, as you can see right here. And I just kind of stick my knife here and go use the edge of the window to go up, and you kind of go up and around. So now that we've kind of cut all the outside away, we're going to take our squeegee again, and we're gonna start seriously getting the water and the bubbles and all that good stuff out. What you really mainly want to focus on is just the sticker part, because the white part is just going to come off anyway. So you mainly just really want to focus on pushing the red part down to get that adhesive to adhere. We'll let this side sit, and I'm going to go do the other side real quick. I'm not going to film that one because it's hard to film. So, but I'm going to let this side sit, and I may have to let it sit outside for a little bit in the sun, but we'll see. So I've already kind of started peeling it up here. Finished that side over there. It's just drying. So we're gonna come over here, and you'll know it's ready when you can like kind of pick up on this and it doesn't pick up this. Now these little tiny corners right here are gonna be a pain in the butt. I can't do it with the camera in my hand, so that's why I was trying to start it a little bit. Okay, so then you have to kind of hold the edge down and then pull. But see how for the most part it's staying there? Those little edges like that are gonna be hard no matter what. So a good technique is to push this down and kind of slide, but go kind of slow. And what this is gonna do is put pressure onto the piece that you're about to peel up with this paper. So you wanna kind of do this, going across. And this vinyl looks really cool. A note here that there's a lot of like little bubbles. Those will come out over the next couple of days with sunlight. Here we are. Finished product. I really like the red. This is kind of look like from the inside. It's really dirty. And then back here, I still have some of those bubbles to get out right here. And I had a little hiccup up here, well, but oh well. It's not the end of the world. One little spot. I mean, it's just gonna get torn up anyway because of the, you know, the trees and stuff that brush against it. It's just, it tears these things up so fast. But I did want to have a chance to try out the red, and I did get a lot of requests to do a how-to video. That basically wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I'm hoping to come out with more content. I always say that, but sometimes it doesn't happen. But I'm trying real hard this time, guys, I promise. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Have a great day.